Here we have the new Aluma Executive Series car hauler trailer. This is a 7x20 model. This model here comes with the 8-foot slide out ramps on the rear here. You get the spread axles. The axles are spread out a little bit farther than normal, gives you a little bit different pull, better pull. You've got 6 heavy-duty 5,000-pound recessed D-rings in the floor, along with 8 loading lights in the floor. Those little bullet lights that you can see down there on the floor, those are lights. You've got the heavy-duty rail here on the side, step rail. All 4 fenders are removable on it, so you can pull all of them off as needed. This has the torsion axles, 3,500 pound torsion axles. Brakes on both axles. We had extra side marker lights here to the side of the trailer, so you can see the 3 amber lights right there on the side, as well as another one right there in the step well, as well as the 8 loading lights on the bed, which you can see better there. You also have 2 loading lights on the toolbox air dam combination we got on the front here. Now this is the 20-foot model, but the box takes up about a foot of it, so you have 19 foot of open space from there back. And the box here, all enclosed, waterproof. Comes with the spare tire mount here on the inside. And all my models I plan on selling with the spare tire included. So you'll get a matching spare tire, as well as a loading light here on the inside. The toolboxes come in a number of different colors. I've got white or black in stock right now, and I can order other colors as needed. The side and the rear will be a color, and then the front will be aluminum tread plate, the front and the sides. These XL models come a little bit different on the tongue. You get the tongue handle standard, as well as chain hook standard. So overall, they just made a much nicer trailer, even nicer than the trailers they already built were. Again, this is the 20-foot Executive Series Aluma car hauler. Foot of the bed space is box there, and then 19 foot from the box back, and 8-foot ramps, LED lights all the way around.